channel. Today is a great day. The sun is out and I am feeling awesome. Anyways, guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you press the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Anyways, guys, we are here because I am trying out the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation from Nars, and I'm also trying their Radiant Creamy Concealer for the first time. So if you guys are interested and you want to see what this looks like, please stay tuned. So to start off, guys, this is what it comes in. It comes in this black box, and it cost me a good $49 for this concealer. And it cost me $49 just for this foundation, so I hope it's worth it. I really hope it's about that. It better be worth it. Anyways, guys, in the concealer, I didn't buy the full size. I bought the small size because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it or not. So I only paid $13 for this little baby right here. Okay, so immediately after I've taken out the out of the packaging, I noticed that it's a glass bottle. You better not drop this. I better not drop this bottle because I am really, really clumsy. So hopefully I don't drop this concealer, because $49 is a lot of money for some foundation. Anyways, guys. Oh, I was twisting it, but all you have to do is pull the cap off. So FYI. And it comes with a pump, which is awesome. So I paid $49 and I got the pump. I don't know if you guys are familiar with MAC foundation. If you buy MAC, it doesn't come with the pump. You have to buy the pump separately. So this is a good thing. Now on to the concealer. Opening that up. And it also, no, this is not glass, this is plastic, but it looks pretty good. It has a thick consistency. That's what it looked like. It doesn't look like it's my color for my under eyes, for my contour, for my highlight, but I guess we'll find out. I don't know what's up with this thing, but it's getting on my nerves. Anyways, guys, by the way, I know my eyelashes are looking kind of funky. I know they got wet, so they can go in all kind of different ways. Please excuse me and don't judge me, okay? Anyways, guys, also let's get back to the foundation. So yes, the pump is a little bit dirty because initially when I bought it, I squeezed a little bit on my hand, so that's why it's a little bit dirty. Anyways, guys, I am ready to get started with this foundation and this concealer. So without further ado, let's get to it. Anyways, guys, I know you noticed that I have a lot of blemishes on my face, a lot of black marks and all that stuff. It's healing up, but yeah, it's there. So that's the whole purpose. I'm trying to see if this Nars foundation is full coverage, medium coverage, or no coverage at all. So let's get started. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna pump it on my hand. So there's like 3 pumps. 3 pumps. And it is very thick. The consistency is very, very thick. So that's, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for right now. So we're gonna find out in a minute. And I have a damp beauty blender that we're gonna start off with. I don't know why I thought that smelled funny just now. Ugh. Anyways, I'm gonna dip it in the foundation, and I'm gonna just apply it over my blemishes. Initially looking at it, it looks like it's too dark, which I'm kind of upset about because I actually tested this in the store. And I don't know if you guys are familiar, but Sephora, it has different lighting. So at home, of course, it looks different now. But it looks like it's full coverage. but it's not quite the correct color for my skin tone. It's actually really nice. I like that, but it's just not my color. That really sucks. I'm gonna take another dip in that really quick, and I'm gonna try to cover the rest of these blemishes. So that's all I'm gonna apply just for this video and this purpose. And again, this is about 3 pumps of this foundation, which it applies well and it blends well into your skin. But again, it doesn't look like it's my skin color. If you can see, I left my forehead undone for a reason, so you can see the makeup, the foundation, and then you can see my forehead, my actual color. And as you can see, it's different, very different. Anyways, guys, we're gonna move on to the concealer. Let's check this concealer out. I know it's too light, which, hell, I guess I'm all off today because this foundation doesn't match, and also this concealer probably won't match also. Yeah, look at that. That is too light. That's too light. I don't know where the hell I thought I was going, but this ain't gonna work. But we gonna try this out though anyways. Just because I bought it, we gonna try it out. Oh no. Oh no. Who? This is not for me. I do not like this concealer. Okay, let me take it back. I'm not gonna say I don't like this concealer, but I'm gonna say I don't like this color. It's too light. It's making me look white, and I'm nowhere near white. But it blends out okay. I'm not gonna say it's the best, but it blends out okay. Okay, now that we have that applied, I'm gonna leave it just like that. So like I said, you can see my forehead, which is my natural color, this foundation, and then you can see the concealer. So let's get down to how I feel about this. I'm actually upset because this color doesn't match at all, and it actually makes me look darker, which I don't like. The concealer is too white. I'm hoping that I can actually go back and get some kind of refund or something like that. I'm hoping for the best. I should have kind of color tested this concealer, but I think it was one of the samples like on your way to the cash register, so I just picked it up. My mistake. So that's $13 down the drain. Overall, the foundation is not bad. It applies very well. It's just, it's not my correct color. The price, I think other foundations, drugstore foundations are better. And I spent too much money on this foundation. Oh, I'm so upset about this right now. Anyways, guys, that is how I feel about this. Oh no, let me not go yet. I have some setting spray here, and I'm just gonna try to set this and see how it turns out. Oh, that's pretty when it's set. I like that. What y'all think? Overall, guys, this foundation is not that bad, but if you want to take a cheaper route, I would recommend that you take a cheaper route unless you find the correct color that fits you, because like right now, I'm just not okay with this color that I got, but I'm pretty sure it's not that bad. Anyways, guys, I thank you for watching this video. Thank you for sitting here, you know, taking this time out to watch this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please place them below. If you have any ideas, please make sure you put them below also. And like always, guys, thanks for watching.